What's the benefit of sleep? Is it
Oh,
beneficial? Is it really what I thought, a waste of time?
oh no, sleep is just so important. It has so many benefits. One of the things that we say is that sleep is not just a cure for sleepiness. I think that's the misconception that you're sleeping because the day is over. So you're
Mhm.
sleepy, you're tired, and that's all. So yes, it helps with that. It helps with restoration of your energy. It helps with repair of your body. It also helps with just clearing your brain, so to speak. So this was something that was relatively more recent that they found that when you sleep, or when you're awake, you actually have deposits, waste products build up on the surface of your brain all day. So in the night, when you go to sleep, you actually get your brain get into this system of cleansing and washing off those deposits. And now we do know that those deposits over time can accumulate and cause conditions like Alzheimer's. So that's just one really big one. And then, we talk about the immune benefits, right? It helps boost your immune system, helps with your metabolism, all the hormones in your body. Many of them get regulated by sleep. Helps with curbing your appetite, actually. So pretty phenomenal. And so sleep is not just something you do because you're sleepy. It doesn't just cure sleepiness. It is completely important for you to be able to live life to your fullest.
I wish I'd known this years ago. I mentioned that I thought sleep was for those who, you know, they didn't have anything better to do. There was so many things to do. And that came from, growing up with a mom who was very industrious. And she was like, okay,
Mm,
when you're up, make sure you have things doing. Don't just be sitting doing nothing. And that was either spoken or unspoken. I don't even know. Sometimes she said it, but it just was understood. Or at least that's the way I internalized it. So I was always busy.
mm.
And when the night came and it was quiet, I thought, wow, this is even better. Let me get things done. So, I really wish I had known that the toxins that are building up in our bodies, and when we sleep helps, get rid of those. Wow.
Yeah.
If you just enjoyed that video, check out the longer version right here.